Okay, thanks for tuning in. Another short tutorial video on using Excel spreadsheets. My name's Chris, we are excel.co.uk, and today's topic is sorting data. So when you've got your data laid out on your spreadsheet as a data list or as a database, there are quick and easy ways to reorganize the data. Just looking at the data that's on the spreadsheet here in front of you, I've got a few records put together in a little data list here. So for each record, I have the user's employee ID, details of their name, department, location, etc., including their salary, all in a horizontal record. So I've got my horizontal records for each individual detailed on the spreadsheet, and I have my fields of information. So my contract field, my salary field, and my department field, etc., etc. So really the simplest way to go about sorting a data list is to simply click into the field that you want to reorganize the data by. So if I wanted to organize this data by salary, all I do is click into the salary column anywhere at all, just a single click anywhere in that column, even at the top there would work, and then hit your sort largest to smallest or sort smallest to largest. Where do we find that? On the home tab on the right hand side, there we have it, A to Z, and I can say sort it largest to smallest or Z to A. Now if I do that, there we have it. So it recognizes that the first row of information are the field headings, so it doesn't try to mix this information in, which is pretty good, and it's listed my salary there. So there we have it. Jackie Khan in accounts on the highest salary, Alan Sugar at the bottom here, who works in a kitchen, he's only part-time, on the lowest salary at $8.5 grand. Just to prove that the records are being kept intact, I could go to another field such as their location and say reorganize the records now by this field. So remember, single click into that field, sort it A to Z, and then if I look for Jackie Khan, there she is. She's still in accounts on 60 grand, and we've still got Alan Sugar, part-time worker in the kitchen, on 8.5 grand. So remember, no need to start highlighting the whole thing and asking it to sort. So one of the things I see people doing is things like this. They may highlight all of that and then say sort. What's going to happen if I do this? If I highlight a whole column and say sort, what would you expect it to do? So many of you will already be saying, yes, well, it won't know what to do. It's going to ask me whether I want to expand the sort out to the whole database or whether I want to keep this sort isolated to this column. Let's have a look. Yep, so it doesn't do anything. We've all seen this. So it's asking me, do I want to expand the search out to the whole database, or do I want to continue with the current selection? If I continued with the current selection, then it would sort this column in isolation to everything else, which is not what I would typically want. So go like that. So moral of the story is this: click once into the column by which you want to sort it by, go to sort A to Z. It keeps all the records intact. My name's Chris James, we are excel.co.uk. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully we'll see you again on one of our other tutorials. We've got a whole range of them. Thank you, and see you again.